Hi friends, welcome back to my channel on statistics. If you are seeing my videos first time, then do subscribe. Let's go to the topic. In this video, I am going to explain Pondicherry University MSc Statistics. Year is 2017. Year is 2017 previous year question paper. In this video, I will discuss full questions on related to the statistics. Okay, I will tell you how which type of questions we can do in three. I think Pondicherry University exam is 2 hours or 3 hours. How many we can solve easily? I will tell you all things also. We can see. This is my first question. We all know that Pondicherry conducting online exam. Okay, this is my first question. See, for the following 2 by 2 contingency table for two attributes of the value of chi-square is. We all know that what is the chi-square formula here? N into AD minus BC whole square divides by, you can add up with this a plus b. Okay, here what you get here this times a plus b, all things also here. Okay, here you can get 50. Okay, here also you can got 50, here you got 30, here you got 70, total is 100. So now you can just apply formula. 100 into AD means 800 minus BC means 300, so 500 square 500 square 500 square divides by what we have. 50 50 30 70, 50 50 50 multiplied by 50, then we have 30 70. Okay, you can just cancel out the some terms here. What you get finally here, you can get 2 multiplied by, okay, 500 into 500, so 25 4 zeros. Okay, here I cancel out 150, so I have 150 left. Then I have 70 30 70, then I have 30. So here 3 zeros are there, I can erase 3 zeros. Okay, 3 zeros are left. Okay, now I have 5 5 are, so 50 into 20 100, 7 3 are 21, so 100 by 21 is the correct answer for this question. Okay, now we can see second question. You can calculate fast also. Now I am taking some time for typing. Okay, the values of 1 and third quartile are 20 and 30 respectively, and the value of interquartile q3 minus q1 divided by q3 plus q1. You can just apply the formula. What you get, q3 plus q1 means 50, then you can get 10. What you get, 5. Interquartile range is 5. Okay, which of the following distribution involved in this is theory question, you can refer also. What is the Modulian analysis? The item of menu bar for performing statistical parametric test in SPSS. Statistical parametric test in hypothesis means you can refer, that is also theory questions. Use coefficient of, this is also this question. The 2 by 2 contingency given as a equal to 56, b equal to 48, ab equal to 35, and n equal to 100. You can just take this easily. Here we have a, sorry, first we have n equal to 100, then we can divide into a. Okay, then we can divide into a alphas. Okay, then we have a beta. Okay, then we have alpha beta. Here we have a equal to 56, then ab equal to 35. Now in alpha also we have here 46. Now what we need, alpha beta. capital beta alpha and alpha beta. Alpha beta. See, now which value we need? Small a and capital beta. So we need this value. Okay, we know alpha value 46. Now this sum should be equal to 46. Now we have a, we have b, we have ab, we have n. Now how we can find alpha beta value? Means alpha, if you find this value we can get this value also. We can use by using this ab equal to 35. Now what this total term should be equal to 100. Okay, you can just simplify, you can get the this value. Okay, you can just make it as a tree diagram, then you can get the all values. Okay, a discrete random x values 1 2 3 4, then this is the condition 3 into probability of x equal to 1 equal to it. Now see here, this is simple question. What we need, a discrete random variable x takes values 1 2 3, 3 into probability of x equal to 1 equal to 2 into, then now what we need, first we need to formulate the distribution function. For 1 what we have, 2 we have, 3 we have, then what is for probability of x equal to, sorry, here start from 1. Okay, then you can get easily also. Okay, theory question you can double the coefficient of determination measures of proportion is explained variation by total variation. This is repeated question from last year also. Factorial 100 function infection is possible when samples are easy to obtain, I think. Okay, 3 questions you can refer. A hypothesis is rejected at the level of significant alpha equal to 0.5% by a test. Which of the following statement is true regarding to the p-value? Okay, see, when our p-value is greater than 0.05, then we accept null hypothesis. Okay, this is correct option. The usual notations, two attributes s and t at two level of each set to positive, so it means this is the positive relation. When we have equal to, then we have independent. When you have greater than, that time negative. Double sampling infection plan for attributes is second sample is taken always. You can 3 questions you can do it with you. Okay, which one of the following is a linear construct of a treatment effects? Linear contrast. Linear contrast means t1 plus t2 plus t3 minus t4 3 t2 2. Okay, I will tell you this question later. Okay, this is mathematical question. You can just here observe here all values you have exponential. So what we first we need to find, you can take this expression into exponential form. So okay, what is the exponential from 1 plus 1 number x whole power? Yeah, okay, then you can get easily answer. This is also mathematics. Population census in India are taken under the given intervals 12 years, 15 years, 10 years. Okay, multiple regression analysis when the independent variables I like call it is called auto correlation, I think. Okay, you can refer. See, this is degradation question, you know very well. You can just take it as a t for this term. Then what we get, when you can differentiate, will get 17. Here you can get denominator with 17. Okay, then we have t power 5 means 1 plus x power 17 5. Okay, multiplied by 17 5s are 85. Okay, plus c is common, so option is, where is 85? Okay, this is the correct answer for this question. Which of the statement regarding to the coefficient of correlation is true? A measure of the strength of the relation between two variables. A value, the range is from, okay, the two variables are, oh yeah, all are correct. Okay, you can just answer very quickly also this type of questions. See, a hypothesis test is considered with 0.5 level of significance. Test whether the population correlation is 0 or not. 25 observations are considered. If this is the correlation coefficient, then compute the test statistic. You can just apply the test statistic formula here. Okay, Algebraic sum of deviation from arithmetic mean is equal to the algebraic. What is algebraic? Okay. Algebraic sum of deviation from arithmetic mean. Okay, you can refer this question. Okay. Let x be the depth. This is also mortal question. Standard error of estimate. Okay. Differentiation you can do it. I think you can just apply the differentiation of u by v formula. U by v formula. Then what v formula we all know this v square. Okay. U dash v minus v dash v. V dash u. Okay. You can just apply the formula. You can get the answer. See in order x1. See this. Let x1 x2 here where random variables from Bernoulli distribution and the consistent estimator of PQ. Okay. Yeah, this will be consistent estimator for this question. Why? Because we all know that polynomial equations comes under the consistency equation. That is by that theorem. I cannot refer that theorem. I will tell you later. When you refer that theorem, here you can get polynomial equations x bar square x bar minus x bar square. That time in the polynomial equations are consistent estimators. Okay. The exact distribution of the number of defectives in a single sampling point. Single sampling point means I think binomial you can refer it. Okay. See this x follows normal distribution with mu I and sigma square, then z square it follows chi-square distribution. Chi-square distribution. This is exact relate. When you can n divides infinity, you have got 2 by 3. Okay. When you can common n, then you can get 2 minus 0, 3 plus 0. Okay. Arithmetic mean of n natural series is x bar. Then after calculation, it was observed that two numbers. This is simple. You can calculate it. Yeah. This is mortality question. Okay. Probability of getting 2x's when two cards are drawn from the well-shuffled pack. Okay. Probability of getting 2x's means generally we have 52 cards with you. Okay. 50 C2. Okay. Then getting 2x's. Right. 13 C2 I think. This is the chances you can refer it. Okay. See this question, very simple question. Here you given, here all values are given, just you need to find and apply the variance of mu means. Here you can got a means 64 into 16. Okay. Plus and 9 means 81 multiplied by 25. You can just take the square root of this value. You can get the you can get the value. Okay. You can just take the square root of this value. Okay. What you get for standard deviation. Okay. You can just apply the partial derivatives here. You can get the direct answer also. How you can apply partial derivatives? You can just take the LCM. Here you can got 2 into x minus 3 b into x minus a. You can solve the polynomial equations. You can got the answer. This is also simple. You can just apply the. Here you can get the polynomial equation with 3x cube like this. You can expand it. You can get the answer. The regression analysis is a transformation when used correlation is near 0. The theory question you can refer. Okay. The fourth center moment in terms of cumulant. Okay, mu 4 k4 plus 3 k2 square, or I think this k4 plus 3 k2 square. I think this you can refer. This is standard result. Probability of accepting h0, accepting true h0 and rejecting false h0 is termed as. It means accepting h0 and rejecting the false h0 means. Okay. Here what the condition is. Here you can observe the condition is differently is there. Okay. Accepting h0 when rejecting and rejecting false h0 means rejecting h1. Okay, accepting asset when rejecting agent, this comes under the power of the test. Okay, confidence coefficient of power of the test. Okay, size of the critical power of the test. Okay. Oh, okay. This is well-known result that is called Chebyshev inequality. Not that this is when Chebyshev is x bar minus mu is there. Okay, Holder's inequality, Markov's inequality, Jensen's inequality. I think Jensen's or Markov's. Okay, you can refer book that is standard result. Okay, the full form of thesis is statistical package for social sciences. Statistical package for social sciences. Which of the following functions would be the differential equation? If this is homogeneous function, you can just find the integrating factor, then you can solve this also. Okay, you can also this question p1 p2 are population intervals 10 of 10 years. The population just will take 5 years, then it will be like this. Okay, for what purpose of the variables we use is IBM space data editor is used. Data editor is used for viewing output for data analysis different. I think data editor. You can refer this question. Sigma 1, sigma 2 are the variances of n1, n2 observations respectively. Then the combined variances n1 s1 square. Where is that? N1 s1 square plus yeah this. Okay. See this question. The mean of the random sample is 16 of the observations here. Standard deviation also given. The distribution is 25. Then find the 95. You can just apply the 95% confidence interval limit. Means you can apply 1.96 is the tabulated value. You can just apply the formula for confidence intervals x bar plus or minus z alpha. Here sigma is known, so how you can get confidence interval means here you have x bar minus mu upon sigma by root n equal to z alpha by 2. You can just take the cross multiplication, you can get the limits of x bar. Okay, this is standard result. You can just apply the formula here. The probability of choosing a number that is divisible by 6 or 8 among the numbers 100. Okay, 90, sorry, 90. Okay, now what we need, what are the chances possible for 6? Here up to 90 is there, means possible chances are 15, 15, 6 are 19. For 8 I think 11. Okay, for 8 we up to 80, then after 80 then we have only one possibility, 81, that is 26 divided by 90. Okay, 26 divided by 90 means okay, random number that will be minus we need to difference with common terms also. Which common terms are available in sixth factor? 6 12 30 8 6 4 are 24, 8 8 3 are 24, 1. Okay, then 8 48, 6 6 6 7 are 42. Okay, 6 8 okay, 2 8. Then I think 2 common factors available. You can first you can write set like that, then you can refer it, you can get easy answer. Okay, I think 23 by 9 or any correct answer. You can refer that is procedure. Okay, if your null hypothesis is rejected at 5% level of, then which of the following statements are true? Alternative hypothesis will be accepted at 95% level. The null hypothesis will be rejected at 4% level. The null hypothesis will be rejected at 6% level. The null hypothesis was not selected properly. This question is correct. Option is correct. Okay. Yeah, value of sigma square is what? 1 upon n intersect with this. Okay. Okay, which can will come to the coefficient of determination is 0.9494. So total variation is explained by the direction is positive strength. Yeah, all the above is correct. See this question also just like before question I did. Let A be the event that is the sum of dice is sum of 2 dice is multiplied by 3. Then B be the event. You can just write down the possibilities of A and B. Then you can just find the probabilities. Okay, this is simple question. Okay, this is also very simple question. Now what we need, expected value of Z. How you can calculate expected value of Z means here see. You can just take the expectation. 3 into expected value is 6 plus 2 into expected value of Y is 6, so 12. So two options are there. Don't know what we are going to the variance. When we are going to the variance, 9 multiplied by 4, 36, 4 multiplied by 5, 20, 56 minus covariance. Okay. Okay. 3 square 9, 9, 4 jar 36, 2 square 4, 4 5 are 20, 56 minus covariance term is 1. Okay, 2 times covariance. 2 into covariance of xy 2. And where is error? Here I have 6, 6, 6, 6. Expected value of z is 3 into x means 2. 3 to the 6, 3 to the 6, 12 is okay. Then we have for variance of z, 9 into variance of x is what? 4 plus 2 into variance of y is 5. Oh, sorry, 4 into 4 5 are 29, 36, 56 minus covariance term is 2, 1 times 1. Okay, let me check. We can do this question. Procedure is like this. Okay, given that probability of A equal to 1 by 3 and probability of B equal to 1 by C, you can just apply the first. You can find probability of A intersection B. What is formula of probability? A intersection B divides by probability of A divides by probability of A. How you can get probability of A intersection B means you can just take the sum here. What you get, 4 plus 3 is 4 plus 9. You can just sum. When you can sum these two, 12 is LCM. Okay, then we get 13 by 12 minus 11 by 12. What we get, 1 by 12 divides by probability of A is 1 by 3. So 1 by 4 is the final answer. Two balls are drawn from an unconsisting 7 wide 3 red x with a random variable denotes the, and if x denotes the random variable denotes the number of red balls drawn from. Yeah, this is just simple. You can, two balls are drawn from out of how many? 10. Okay, 10 6. Two balls are drawn from an arm consisting of 7 white balls and 3 red balls. If and x is a random variable denotes the number of red balls drawn, then find the expected value of x. Okay, you can try this question. Let A and B be the stands in two at random with 15 each other. The probability of there will be the persons between A and B. You can just take the in Q means you can this follows binomial or Poisson or exponential distributions we can solve. Okay, this question also simple. You can just apply the, from here you what you get. See, when you can draw the diagram, then you can easily understand. We have probability of A union B is 7 upon 10. Okay, then what we have, A intersection B. A intersection B is 2 by 5. Then what we have, 2 by 3. A given B. A given B means A intersection B divided by B. Okay. Generally, we can say that probability of A intersection B is A intersection B divides by probability of B. Here you can get the probability B value also directly. See, when you can apply 2 by 5 equal to probability of B equal to 3 by 2. Okay, you got probability of B equal to 3 by 5, then this is answer. Okay, yeah, probability of B also there, you can get direct answer also. This is really simple question. A speaks truth 2 out of 3, then B speaks 4. So probability of A is 2 by 3, then probability of B is 4 by 5. Both of them agree with the assertion of bag contains 6 different colored balls, among which one is red color. Then probability of statement true. Probability of statement true means you can try this question. I am also not know. See this question, how you can do this is very simple question. Don't miss this type of questions. Here you got 0.2, here you got 0.6, here you got 0.2, here you got 0.2, here you got 0.4, here you got 0.4. Now what we need to find expected value of x means this expected value of x means x into multiplied by probability of x. So here minus 1 into 0.2, so minus 0.2. Okay, here 0 to 0 0, so here you got 0.4, so 0.2. Which options? So two options tally. Then what we need, variance of x, you can just take the square of this. When you can square this, 1 multiplied by 0.2, 0.2, here you can get 0.6. So this is the answer for this question. The probability of random variable x first we can, when you can sum this probability is equal to 1, then you can get the a value. Then how you can get probability of x greater than 1 means you can just take it was 1 minus probability of x equal to 0. Okay, then you can get this value. Let PGF be a sum of an independent random variables with variables is equal to the product their individuals. PGF is probability PGF of a sum of an independent discrete bus is equal to the product of individual PGFs. Yeah, this is multiplicative rule. Additive and reproductivity. Additive and reproductivity is MGF. Probability of additive. Additive or multiplicative. I have also confused. You can try for expected value of sum of numbers of points when the two dice are thrown simultaneously. Points. Two dice are thrown simultaneously. Expected number of sum of number of points. Okay, I'm not understanding. Okay, how you can find combinations? You can just take the log of mx of t. Okay, this is simple question. You can also see. You need to just find this value. Here you can give one a is 0, sorry, a is 0.6, b is 0.4, and b is here intersection unions all are you can find here. Then you can what you need for who do not read means complements you can find. X, Y, and Y sit around a table with 10%, assuming that arrangement is rank, or you can do this question. Now what we expected all of x square, we already discussed this question. This will be square 9.1 by 6 plus 36 into 2 you got here plus 81 divided multiplied by 3. Then just do this question, you can get the answer. 2023 is a confidence interval for parameter theta. Which one of the following is current? All the other, what is means 90% of confidence intervals for the given parameter is 2020. Okay, probability of 90% theta will be the interval inside in this question. This will be simple. You can just give the interpretation of that question. See here, when you have variance of x plus b, then you can get a square of variance of x here. Here you can get c square of variance of y. Then 2ac means plus or minus 2ac covariance of xy. A square c square plus 2ac Two is there. Where is 2? Okay, this is correct answer. Okay, you can check this question also. You can just apply the Chebyshev inequality here, because probability of x minus b greater than or equal to the sigma here. Okay, conditional density function, probability of x give 1 y. Okay, you need to find this formula. For this you can just take the intersection formula, then you can find the, okay, you can easily find also this question. Okay, stratify random sampling recommended when the non-homogeneous. Okay, when we have homogeneous cases, now non-homogeneous but can be divided into homogeneous subpopulation having linear trend. I think these two I have doubt. I think homogeneous. Okay, you can just multiply log term both times, then you can get x log x, y log y, z log z, then you can differentiation with, you can get the answer. Which of the following relations holds on the following data variable x and expected frequencies are? You can just find the mean value, median, mode, then you can get the answer. See here, this is the rank. Okay, this is formula, we all know this. You can just apply the formula in geometric series. The probability generator, this is repeated question I think. Okay, the probability generator function sum of independent additive rule. Additive, I have confusion in this point, you can check it. Shape of the following statement is true regarding to the shape of frequency distribution. Poisson exponential distribution, shape of the frequency curve. Shape of the frequency curve means in Poisson we can you can just draw the like these steps. In exponential we have like this. Okay, in chi-square we have only positive in chi-square and net cos f also. In students T we have bell shaped, here also bell shaped. 1 2 3 are symmetric, wrong option, because chi-square is not symmetric. 1 2 are positively skewed, 3 is symmetric. Student T is symmetric. Okay, 3 is symmetric and 1 are positively skewed, 2 is not symmetric. I think this is the correct option. Okay, T is an estimate by theta, then average of error is 0. Yeah, okay, you can do this question. You can just modulus of x means, here you can get the value. Here modulus of x means you can just take limits from -1 to 0 and 0 to 1. Sample size 2 can run from find without, you can, this is also do it. Cumulative generating function, what is mg of win? I think 1 minus 2t power minus n by 2 is the mg of win chi-square. I don't know exactly, you can refer minus 1 by 2 to log of minus 1. I think this option. In sample survey you can do this question rather than conditional distribution. This is also just a standard formula. X and convert just almost surely to the equivalent distribution. Okay, see here, this is relationship between normal distribution is always normal distribution and quantile deviation. Quantile deviation, mean deviation, standard deviation. In standard deviation, okay, in standard deviation is sigma. Okay, very now if there is relationship, exact relationship is that mean deviation is 4 upon 5, quantile deviation is 2 by 3. I think either interchange, I think this is option. Okay, you can just take the integration of this question, you can get the value. Thank you friends watching this video. If you have any queries in this paper, you can ask me. I will just give you the brief introduction about this paper. You can solve your way also there. A very easy exam, you can easily do it. Okay, from the next video we can discuss remaining papers also. Thank you for watching. Please share my videos also.